The first four terms of an arithmetic sequence are 2, 7, 12 and 17. An arithmetic sequence means our sequence is increasing or decreasing by a common difference. Our first step is to work out that common difference, i.e. how do we get from each of our terms? In this case, from 2 to 7, we add on 5. From 7 to 12, again we add on 5. And from 12 to 17, again we add on 5. We know it is a common difference. In this case, our common difference is positive 5. As we want to work out the nth term, it's always our common difference, in this case positive 5, in front of the letter n. Then we always work backwards, i.e. the opposite of add 5 is to subtract 5. And 2 subtract 5 gives us negative 3. Whatever we get here on the left, that's called our zero term, and that gets placed on the end. Hence my final answer for 2 marks is my nth term is 5n minus 3. To find the 20th term, we know the 20th term occurs when n equals number 20. Therefore, substituting into our nth term, we know 5 in algebra means 5 multiplied by n. Hence, we're going to have 5 multiplied by n, which in this case is 20. And we still have the minus 3 that we must place at the end. Well, 5 times 20 gives us 100. And 100 subtract 3 gives us 97. So the 20th term of our sequence equals 97.
Your turn. Drop solution in the chat. Thanks.